You can share an existing backup location between multiple media agents. From the Command Center navigation pane, expand Storage and select Disk. Click the disk storage that you want to share the backup location. Go to the Backup Locations tab. In the Backup Locations section, click the Action button for the backup location that you want to share with multiple media agents. Click Add Media Agent. The Add Media Agent dialog box is displayed. Select all the media agents that you want to share the backup location with and click Save. You will see the additional media agent now listed with read-only access to storage. After a backup location is shared, all the other available locations in the storage are automatically shared with the newly added media agent. Clicking into the backup location, you will see the additional disk access path shared via the network to the additional media agent.